Are you tired of watching your paycheck vanish the moment it arrives? What if I told you that ordinary people, not millionaires, not tech geniuses, are earning $500, $1,000, even $5,000 extra every single month without quitting their jobs? In the next few minutes, you're about to discover 10 powerful side hustles that can crush your money stress, grow your bank account, rebuild your confidence, change your life, and put you on a guaranteed path to financial freedom. Starting today. Real examples, step-by-step guidance, no fluff. Stay with me until the end. Here's the reality. You can't save your way to freedom anymore. Inflation eats your income while promotions crawl at a snail's pace. The only way forward is to earn more, and side hustles are how regular people are finally breaking free from the paycheck trap. Let's dive in. Here are 10 side hustles that can completely change your life within just a few months, and the results will stay with you forever. Guaranteed. Hustle number 1. Freelance digital skills. Freelancing is booming. Businesses no longer want full-time staff for every small job. They want flexible freelancers. On platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal, beginners make $20 an hour, while skilled pros charge $100+. Skills like video editing, copywriting, social media posts, or even voiceovers are in constant demand. Don't have a skill yet? Learn one in 30 days using free YouTube tutorials. Start small. Design Instagram posts for local shops or edit short TikToks for real estate agents. Maria from Florida learned Canva at night and soon managed 5 Instagram accounts at $200 each. $1,000 a month on the side. The secret: don't stay generic. Niche down and solve a specific problem. Hustle number 2. Print-on-demand stores. Want passive income without touching inventory? Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies on Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. When someone orders, the platform prints and ships automatically. You earn while you sleep. Not an artist? Use Canva or AI tools to make simple text designs or niche slogans. Funny quotes and micro-niche products sell best, like coffee teachers run on dreams. Jake, a college student, uploaded 20 cat-themed shirts. One went viral and now earns him $600 a month. Steps: pick a niche, upload 10 to 20 designs, share them on TikTok or Instagram. No risk, no stock to buy, just creativity. Hustle number 3. High-demand local services. Not all hustles are online. Local service jobs pay fast and face less competition. Think dog walking, junk removal, house cleaning, lawn care, furniture assembly. Apps like TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, and Rover connect you to clients. Ethan in Texas used his pickup truck for weekend junk removal. Within 3 months, he made more than his weekday job, $1,500 every weekend. Start with what you have: basic tools, a car, or even just time and energy. Offer your first job at a low rate to get reviews, then raise prices. This hustle can grow into a full business as you hire help. Hustle number 4. Content repurposing for creators. Thousands of YouTubers and podcasters are drowning in editing work. They need someone to turn long videos into short clips for TikTok, Instagram, and Shorts. Using free apps like CapCut or Descript, you can charge $10, $20 per clip. One client needing 30 clips a month is $300, $600. Get 5 clients and you're at $2,000 plus. Linda from Ohio offered free sample edits to small YouTubers, proved her value, and now earns more from clipping videos than her office job. Search for channels with 5K, 50K subscribers, offer quick demos, and deliver fast with captions. Creators will keep you forever if you save them time. Hustle number 5. Reselling and flipping. This classic hustle still works in 2025. Buy cheap items from Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, or thrift stores and resell them on eBay. Electronics, sneakers, tools, collectibles, they all flip for profit. Chris in Ohio started with $100, bought used iPhones, replaced screens for $20, and sold them for a $250 profit. Now he makes $3,000 a month part-time. Begin by selling unused items at home to build capital. Learn pricing by scanning barcodes at thrift stores. Take clean photos and write honest descriptions. The trick? Sell fast, reinvest, and repeat. Don't sit on inventory waiting for huge margins. Step 6. Build skills people will pay for. If you want to earn outside your main job, you need a skill that solves real problems. Coding, video editing, copywriting, social media marketing, these are modern goldmines. But don't overthink it. You don't have to become a world-class expert on day 1. Just get good enough to help someone who doesn't have your skill yet. Imagine this. You spend 2 hours a night for 1 month learning video editing. By next month, you're charging $100 per short video on Fiverr or Upwork. Do just 5 videos a week, and that's $2,000 a month. Skills are ladders. Every new skill you add gives you a higher rung to climb. And here's the truth, nobody says. While others waste nights scrolling social media, you could be building a skill that will feed you for life. Step 7. Sell your time at a premium. The biggest mistake? People sell their time cheap. Stop thinking hourly, start thinking value. If you can save someone 10 hours of work or help them earn an extra $500, your time isn't worth $10 per hour. It's worth hundreds. Let's say you're good at writing. Businesses pay big for email campaigns that bring sales. Write one good email sequence, charge $300, and deliver it in a day. That's $300 in 4 hours. Do that twice a week and you're making more from your side hustle than your main job. You don't need permission to charge premium rates, you need courage to ask. Step 8. Turn knowledge into digital products. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. What do you know that others struggle with? Parenting tips, fitness routines, budgeting hacks, language learning. Package it as an ebook, a mini course, or a workshop. Digital products are powerful because you create them once and sell them forever. No inventory, no shipping, no late nights packing boxes. Imagine making $20 while you sleep, and then again when you wake up. One small course with 100 buyers at $30 each? That's $3,000 from something you built in a weekend. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit waiting to happen. Step 9. Build an audience around your hustle. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're selling services, products, or knowledge, having an audience makes everything easier. Start sharing what you're learning, documenting your hustle, showing small wins. People trust real journeys more than fake success stories. Use Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts to post your progress. As people watch you grow, they'll want to learn from you, hire you, or buy what you sell. You're not just building income, you're building a brand. And when you have a brand, opportunities start finding you. Step 10. Reinvest and scale. Once money starts coming in, don't blow it on random stuff. Reinvest in tools, ads, or better education. If you're making $1,000 a month editing videos, hire someone to help you handle extra work. If your digital product sells, run ads to reach more people. Scaling is how $1,000 turns into $5,000 without working 5 times harder. The richest people in the world have one thing in common. They don't spend their first profits, they multiply them. Treat your side hustle like a tiny business from day one, and it will grow like one. Step 10. Teach others and double your growth. Here's the ultimate secret. When you learn something, teach it. Share your journey, your mistakes, and your wins. You don't have to be a millionaire to share value. You only need to be one step ahead of someone else. If you're making $500 a month from your side hustle, there's someone out there desperate to make even $50. Help them. When you teach, your own knowledge sharpens, your network expands, and new opportunities come knocking. Final words. This could be your turning point. If you're serious about changing your life, don't wait for someday. Someday is where dreams go to die. Start today. Start small, but start. And as you grow, remember, subscribe to Moneycraft, where you learn to craft money, not chase it. Because every tip, every strategy, every story here is designed for one purpose: to help you build freedom, not just income. Don't just watch success, be the success.